When we think of high-end furniture, we often admire the strength of its wood or the intricacy of its carving. Yet, there is a silent art that ultimately defines the comfort, the elegance, and the final silhouette of every piece. Today, we want to talk about upholstery. Welcome to our workshop, the place where solid wood structures meet artisanal haute couture. For us, upholstering is not just about covering a piece of furniture. It is about understanding the unique personality of every material. While today's rhythm in the workshop allows us to work with extra patience and care, our standard of excellence never wavers. Every piece of genuine leather we select tells its own story through natural grains and textures. We completely reject synthetic materials and industrial processes. Here, every single cut is planned with mathematical precision to respect and elevate the original design. And then, there are the details that demand absolute patience. Hand-applied tacking. In a world where everything is mass-produced and rushed, we choose the path of precision. Placing each nail head, one by one, requires a steady hand, years of expertise, and a profound respect for the furniture. It is the perfect contrast between the strength of the metal and the softness of the leather, ensuring the piece is not only spectacular today, but built to transcend generations. A slightly different video today, to show you the heart of what we do. Because true luxury cannot be mass-produced. It is created slowly, with expert hands and a passion for perfection. Thank you for joining us on this tour of our upholstery department. Let us know in the comments which process you would like to see in detail next time.